So, Sarika, first of all, really, really warm welcome here. And thank you so much. And thank you, biggest thank you so much to you that you also joined this podcast.
That's my pleasure, ma'am, and thank you a lot. I will thank you first of all that you invited me over here. Because getting invited over such a platform is really for the first time I'm here.
Okay, this is your first podcast.
Yeah, that's why I'm a bit nervous. You can see your nervousness.
No, no, don't take serious and don't be think that you are feeling nervous. Just be calm and just try to think, just be a conversation to each other as like familiar or as a friendly. So don't take any kind of nervous, okay? So thank you so much. Good morning to everyone. And so you just see and you just meet a really very such a dynamic personality as a Sarika ji. So Sarika is a student, and definitely you will really really enjoy this conversation because this conversation actually I you know very well about all those stuff which I again and again I'm uploading videos only and only for you all so that of course you also can think to speak in English. So definitely you also can learn a lot of things today's video. So thank you so much again. A biggest thanks for Sarika. So Sarika, would you please introduce to yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, hello everyone, and I'm Sarika Tomar, and I have completed my graduation just this year. This was my final exams. So all of this was like it's not as Richa ma'am said that though everyone is a beginner over here. I would just say just relax and start it, because you just need a one step. That is the toughest one, and then you start once you will get into the flow. And I am from UP, and you can imagine a UP as everyone know about UP, and I am also from a rural place, not from a high tech city. It is a rural place from a village.
That's cool. Glad to hear you. Glad to hear you. You can see that she is from UP, but now you can imagination she also like facing camera. Even she also replying very calm and with me in English. Thank you so much, Sarika. I will really appreciate to you that you just take our initiative actions and to speak in English, to learn English communication. And of course, I'm so much agree with you. Definitely, what you said that like it's really far when we also think to speak in English. But when we also take a step to speak in English, when we cross the step, and that was really amazing. That's actually it will be help for everyone.
Yeah, that's really required, I think.
Exactly, exactly. So shoot your questions, whatever you want to ask me, Sarikaji.
So just one thing I need to ask. Like I have seen people conversing with me over phone calls, over audio calls, and even like I conduct my sessions. There are people just joining there. When I don't say them that yes, you turn on your camera and speak. Till then they are comfortable. They can introduce themselves. They can do everything. But once I say that if you can turn on your camera, please do it. Either they will leave the session or they will be like, no, no, we are outside, we are there, we are here. So they will try to ignore it. I tried my best, but I could not get 100% results. I just got around 60% results positive. Those who really was interested, and now I'm like confused. Why so? If you have been in this journey for a long time, can you please tell, ma'am?
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much. Really very beautiful and really important questions which you asked me, Sarika ji. Actually, yeah, of course, you're saying right. A lot of people I also noticed that they are really comfortable and they are really very good at speaking and they are really actually good speaker, but they are not able to speak in front of anyone. That I must say before this answer that if you are learning English communication and if you are thinking that you are really very comfortable to speak on the call, so According to me, as per my thoughts, everyone should take a decision. This is the second step. If you are really like, if you think that now you are actually comfortable to speak in English, because this is a second language. So of course it is really, really hard to reply and to say something in the public place or one to one people. Okay. But thing is that why is it's happening? We are really very good, but still we are not facing to anyone. Is it questions, Sarika ji?
Yeah, it is. I have found in many times these things. And also, one more thing is like people are just running behind vocab, grammar, grabbing these things first of all. I would just say that try to build confidence and try to grab knowledge. Because
Right.
whenever it comes to our native language too, if you don't have anything to speak, like you don't know about a particular topic, how can you converse it within your native language too? So when it comes
Absolutely.
to learning a new language, I would say grab more and more content in that language.
Exactly, exactly. Absolutely true. So why it's happening? It's happening because of like they actually think that we are not able to speak in English in front side of anyone just because of that. Actually, they didn't experience. They didn't have any kind of experience. Second thing is actually they didn't grab any kind of atmosphere, environment, and that's why they are not comfortable in English. But if I will say that person also can become over this situation, so definitely that person can do only one thing. If that person is really, really good at speaking, but that person couldn't face to anyone in this situation, so of course everyone must record their conversation. Like record, I'm not talking about the audio recording, I'm talking about the video recording. So just try to take a topic, simple topic, you just take it in a beginning of time, simple talking or whatever you just want to talk yourself, whatever you want to talk yourself, just try to talk, just try to start the speaking. Like you don't need to change anything, but just try to speak while the video conversation. So by the things what happen when you will record yourself, and after that, after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it is enough. Like 5 or 10 minutes, you just record in the beginning of time, and after 10 minutes, you just see. And in the beginning of times, really, this is absolutely true that you cannot face your videos as well, because you were thinking, actually, what happened? You were about to judge yourself. Oh my God, my body language is not good. My eye contact is not good. And my hand is so moving. And I'm so much feeling hesitating. I'm so feeling scaring, nervous. So this is the like you also can observe after the video. So after the video, you also can observe. When you will observe, after that, what will you do? You will have to work on that skills. You will have to work on the personality. This is the kind of personality. So you also can grow your personality. Second thing is, second step is like you also can concern that where are you lacking? You are lacking while the while you are speaking, while your content, while your message or your pronunciation, anything. And you also can capture your hesitations as well by the video. Because everyone, if you will talk to anyone on the call, most of all, they will appreciate you. They will appreciate you because this is the new step for you. And you are trying to do something new. So that's why really native speaker or good speaker every time and always will appreciate you, because they have intention only and only to push up you, not kicking you. So this is the first thing is that that's why you couldn't know where you are lacking. Second thing is, if someone is trying to pull your legs, maybe that person's jealous to you, or maybe that person is do not want that you just go on the sky, right? That no one knows that you also can be speak really very amazing. They want that, yeah, if Sarika is here, so Sarika is also like should be like me. I cannot speak in English, so of course I also want that Sarika also cannot speak. If she can, If she can start the speaking, definitely I will jealous. And this is the automatically. So don't ask anyone. If you want to ask anyone that about your mistakes, about your hesitations, just try to ask only English trainer. Don't ask only like learner or beginner, because they also don't know that where we are lacking, right? So just try to record video and just try to see after 10 minutes. In a beginning of time you hate yourself, really. You just notice your voice. Oh my god, I have really ugly voice. How can I listen? It's happened with me when I just started my video conversation, and I just noticed to myself, in a beginning of time I also didn't prefer to listen my audio, to listen to see my videos as well. It's absolutely truth. But 2 days, if I will tell about me, I really love to listen myself. I know that I'm also not good at grammar, and when I just started speaking right now, currently I'm just speaking a lot mistake, but I don't care about the people, because I know that this is the second language for me, and I'm trying to improve myself. And and as well as I'm giving the real example to my audience. If I can do that, of course you also can do all that, but you have to take action.
Yeah, exactly. And the strategy you said, that was exactly my strategy. Because being from a rural place and being from a Hindi medium college, it was quite difficult to get through it. So I just started following this, and within 1 year, if I can improve this much, everyone can do it.
Exactly, exactly. Of course, everyone can do that. But everyone will have to change the mentality, change the thinking, that everyone
Yes.
wants to speak in English. But you know what happened? They think a lot. And because of thinking, they couldn't take a step. So don't we think? Just try to start the speaking.
Yeah, like even you are talking about people, those who are jealous of us. Not even people who are jealous of us. Just before this lockdown and all started, I just put this point in front of my friends that I need to start, like I want to start my journey for English speaking, and I was thinking to get into in this air, air hostess journey. So they were like, how can you do that? And just see the environment and all that. They started giving all those so called views about it. But I said that no, I can do it. And in these times of technology, I, not even me, even you guys can do it. So after this lockdown and all started, and there came a time that no one was going to college, there was no actual meet. Talking over phone was like, okay, within a week, once we are talking, twice we are talking. So I got time there and I started with this. And like you are running your YouTube channel, I also found such a YouTube video from a lady, and she was like, she started a platform of website that you can upload a Zoom meeting link there, or you can join Zoom meeting there. So after 1 month of practice of this video and all, I found that video, and that really helped, and I'm still continuing with that platform. I don't know that that website is still working or not. I think it is down now because of some issues. A lot of network traffic was there because of that. So I would just say that try to find ways. And in these times of technology, nothing is that difficult to learn. If people can learn
Absolutely.
British accent, American accent, why can't we learn even simple accent or Indian accent? That is perfect one.
Exactly, exactly. So, what do you think, actually, Sarika? Actually, questions is that actually right now is create the questions now in my mind after listening to you. That question is that, like, what do you think? We should actually follow the accent or not? I
See,
want to know about your opinion.
according to me, till then you don't feel comfortable. Like we started speaking our own native language, but there are a lot of changes in that. Like I am from UP, I have spoken Hindi since my birth. So in my place, the language is very foul when it comes to speaking Hindi. And when it comes to moving to other places like Mathura, Varanasi, their language is so well. Like there seems to be like they are so well trained in this language. So when we can have this much difference in our own native language, so obviously we can have changes in our learning language too. And when it comes to learning new accent, I would just say that if you want to learn, you can go for it. But first of all, have a complete catch over your Indian accent, your Indian words. Then move forward with British accent, American accent, UK accent, whichever you want.
Exactly, exactly. If I just say something, can I say something, Sarika ji?
Yeah, sure.
That's really cool. Thank you so much. Thank you. Like, first of all, like whatever you said, and of course I accept it. You are really saying right. Actually, first of all, we should actually to start the English speaking. But I would like to add one more point that no matter what you are learning, no matter you like which accent you want to follow, it's not a matter. Matter is that if you are trying to speaking in English, okay, it is okay. Like if you are Indian or if you are belong to Nigeria, if you are belong to any country like France, London, Paris, any country, it is really important that everyone should focus on the pronunciation because like I'm always giving the respect to firstly pronunciation and after that I will go I will go with the accent just because of if your pronunciation should correct definitely it's mean you are actually rocking. You don't have need to follow any accent. I'm not against like you do not follow any accent. If you want to follow any accent, so definitely I would say that only and only British accent, only and only British accent, because British accent really really has great command. I'm not favoring that USA accent, no, but I just say British accent. But firstly, everyone should concern or aware about the pronunciation. So that's my like that's my choice, not opinion. Like if you just consider, so of course you also can say. Otherwise, you also can give your point as well. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I really agree with your point that pronunciation is must. So that when you start speaking, you don't lack in that communication. Because when it comes to spoken, it means you are building a contact, a communication, a network with the person. You are getting connected with the person. That means the person will understand you. And if we are pronouncing wrong words, like I am saying a single word, something else, the person is interpreting it something else. So there is a lack in communication. So I would say that you are right that pronunciation is the first step. And
Thank
when
you
it
so
comes
much.
to accent, then British accent, I have heard people, and that is quite like when you hear that, you feel good. Yeah, something is nice. And when it comes to US accent, I have also seen that I'm also getting confused. I don't know why it's my issue or what, but I'm also getting confused listening to them.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. But like thing is that which I observed because I already had many conversation with foreigner, with USA, like with the USA and with the Spain teacher as well. And actually, he's my teacher and he's also teaching British accent. And he also like tell me one thing that if you want to learn any accent, so just try to focus firstly before the accent on the pronunciation, and that is that is lessons by Robert sir, and he taught me before long term, like before 2 months. And like actually he's an English trainer as well, and he's 76 years old. At that time I just got to know,
I
and
think
I
I
just
have
also follow. Huh?
I think I have also met Mr. Robert once in my session.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah,
On the
like
Google
I
Meet.
yeah, on the Google Meet, I heard him like he's the one who said that I am against Google, something like that. He said like
Okay.
he said me that I don't use much Google things. That's why I'm not able
Yes.
to switch these things much. Something like that he said to me. That's why I remembered.
Which kind of looking he has, if you are remembering,
Like
so could you please?
old age kind of person, around 70, 75 plus, around that.
Okay.
A bit healthy.
Okay. And what kind of color complex?
He's fair, quite fair complex.
Okay. And some kind of like you also can consider personality to whom?
Like I have just met him once, so I cannot say exact things, but he was like a person of 75 plus and a fair looking person. I can say a bit healthy, and also like I think he has a beard too.
Exactly. Yeah, like that. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's really great. Yeah. I also had, twice podcast with him, and he also taught me. that Richa don't focus on the accent, just focus firstly on the pronunciation. And really, I just applied that thing, and which I observed about that lessons that when I just talk to many people and I just observed that if your pronunciation is really, really good and very neat and clean, definitely you don't need actually to learn any accent. But yeah, accent is also good. Accent is also good. I will prefer to learn accent, but firstly, you will focus, like you will have to focus. You know why I'm saying? Because a lot of people, like while they're learning English skills, a lot of people trying to focus on the accent, and because of that things they actually lose the consistency speaking. They also lose the what can I say, they lose the practice in like in English, because their mind and they're full of focus on the accent, not words, not idioms, not structure, not topic, and not debate, and that's why.
And in the end, it leads to the disappointment and lack of confidence.
You.
No, no, like in the end, when all these things are not satisfied to them when learning accent, because you cannot learn advanced without learning basics.
Exactly, exactly. You know, a lot of people also suggesting to me that, teacher, your English so simple, but I can understand. And I said, and a lot of people also saying that why are you not using so much fascinate word, and why are you not using advanced structure? And you are really very frequent, you are really very confident. A lot of people also saying to me like this. And I said, actually, in the beginning of time, I'm not good at advanced level. I just consider to myself. But thing is that like right now, my concentrations grab the knowledge. If I'm really very okay with with a different topic, I'm really okay with debate sections. So definitely after that, I would love to go like all things, all the advanced structure, all like idioms, smart words. I would love to go with that. But firstly, thing is that like according to me, that simple English or advanced English, I just prefer to both. But for before that, I just prefer to that if you are speaking, if you are delivering your speech, and your speech, if people can understand, it means this is a beautiful, beautiful speech. No matter you are speaking so high, you are speaking so low, or what kind of words are you using. If you are speaking and people can grab your speech, it means really, really 100% okay. And I really inspired by Modi ji's speech. Modi ji always trying to speak Hindi, because his intention only and only, I must give my message to the people. So same here, I also can like we also can apply these things in the English language. First, try to speak in English in the simple way, and just try to just try to convey your message to the audience. In the starting, if you will concentrations in high level or advanced level, definitely everyone can lose the confidence as well.
Yeah, as you said that about advanced English and perfect speech, I have heard people who were having very advanced vocab. Like even I cannot relate to it. I cannot comprehend completely their speech. So when it came to me, that what about you not using any advanced word? You are hosting the session. You are not even using any advanced word. So I just said the same statement as you said, that if people cannot comprehend me, my words, then what is the use of me speaking to them? If they cannot relate me, that yes, she is also somewhere between from, she has also come from us only, like from between, a person between us was sitting and now she is leading us somewhere. So I would say that this attitude is must. As people say that, as you are saying that people say to you that you should focus on advanced words and you should have like this quality, that quality, I would just say that keep it simple and sober. Like your audience, your YouTubers, your channel subscribers will relate you only when you have something basic that they can relate to. I know that
Exactly.
within 1 month you can also be like using a very high vocab and all that. But what's the use when people cannot relate? Like beginners need a lot of support.
Exactly, exactly. And yeah, same thing is, on my YouTube platform, I just, when I just started my channel, and that's like now 12 months completed in the next month. And the time actually I also don't know that when I will be so much crazy on my YouTube platform, seriously. But right now, a lot of people also messaging to me that, ma'am, thank you so much. And they are not able to speak seriously even single word. And I just thought, oh my God, that's my previous life. That's my previous life. I also so much, seriously, I also so much considered to them, like about my previous, before couple of years, I also thought about me. And I was really, really hesitating to speak not only English, even I was really hesitating in Hindi as well. Hindi is my native language, but I don't, seriously, I didn't have any kind of courage that I also can speak confidently on the video conversation or with anyone. But right now, just because of English language, just because of social media, now I can face to everyone, no matter that I'm speaking Hindi or English.